Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to build and use a finance tracker in Notion so you can monitor income, expenses, and bank transactions in one centralized place. First, start by opening Notion and creating a new workspace if you don't already have one. Add a new page and choose a database type, like Table, which works similarly to Excel or Google Sheets and allows you to track and filter your transactions easily. The next step is to create a date column. This is essential because every transaction, whether money spent, received, or transferred, needs a timestamp. Set the property type to Date so you can select the date from a calendar each time you add a transaction. You also want to differentiate between personal and business transactions. Add a tag column and set its property type to Select. Include options like personal and business so each transaction is categorized correctly. This helps in reporting and ensures you don't mix personal spending with business expenses. Then, create a column for banking account. If you manage multiple accounts, assign each transaction to a specific bank or account, such as Bank 1 for personal expenses, Bank 2 for business transactions, and Bank 3 for investments. This makes it easy to know where funds are coming from or going to without cross-referencing external statements. For attaching receipts or statements, add a Files column with the property type set to Files and Media. You can upload receipts, PDF bank statements, or even embed Google Drive links. This ensures you have a reference for every transaction and keeps all your documentation in one place. You can also add columns for a transaction description, amount, category, or even person or organization involved. These additional properties let you filter and sort your table by spending type, account, or time period, giving you insights at a glance. Once your database is set up, you can create views such as filtered tables for personal or business transactions, monthly summaries, or visual dashboards with graphs to monitor cash flow. Linked databases allow you to display subsets of data in multiple places, so you can see both high-level overviews and detailed entries without duplicating data. Finally, make it a habit to update your tracker regularly. Every time you receive money, make a payment, or invest, log it in your Notion Finance Tracker. Over time, this database becomes a powerful tool to understand your spending habits, monitor income streams, and manage your finances efficiently. This setup turns Notion into a complete finance hub, combining organization, documentation, and reporting all in one place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more Notion productivity tutorials.